Hey everybody, this is Laura and this is
Alexander.
And we are with McLeod Homestead. Alex, what are we going to do today?
Make cookies.
What kind of cookies?
Christmas.
Are we going to have fun?
Yeah.
Are you going to roll them out and cut them out?
Yes.
And Mommy's going to do the baking?
No.
Are you going to mix them?
Yes.
You are? This sounds like an awesome time. Do you think we should bring everybody along with us? Yes? All right. And who's going to do the eating?
Me.
I don't get any?
Yeah, you get the other half.
Oh, I get the other half. I love the sharing. That is awesome. So, do you know whose recipe we're going to use?
My great-grandma's.
You are very right. That is awesome. The recipe we're going to use was given to me by my mom, which is your grandmother, and it was my grandmother's, which is your great-grandmother's recipe. Does that sound awesome? Are you ready to get in the kitchen and get to mixing?
Yeah.
Yes. All right, guys, we're heading into the kitchen.
But I have to stay here.
Why?
Because this is where I stir.
No, we gotta use the big mixer for this one. After we use the big mixer, then we can come back to the table to do the cutouts and stuff, okay? Sound good? No. You
I'm
sound...
acting like that.
You are acting like a cat, and it's yak, yak, yak. I love you.
I love it too.
I kissed your nose.
I got your eye.
I know. Let's. All right, Alex, are you ready?
Yep.
Are we excited?
Yay!
Okay. Our first item is 1 cup of shortening. This is not the shortening you buy in the store, is it? This is the lard we made from our pigs. Can you go ahead and dump it in? So our next ingredient
Is eggs.
Right, how many eggs?
2.
And what else is in there? It is our vanilla flavoring, a teaspoon of it. And that's our homemade?
It smells so good.
Yes, it does. Okay, dump it in. There you go. Next we have,
Sugar.
how many cups?
3,
Nope.
4,
2.
2.
That is 2 cups of sugar. Go ahead and dump it in.
All of it.
Yes, all of it. We put all the wet ingredients in before we put the dry. Now,
Oh, that smells
You
so
get-
good.
you got to be real careful with this one. What is this?
Milk.
And it's 1 cup of milk. Go ahead and dump it in. Can you lift up the handle? Turn it the other way if you... Come on, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. Yay! Okay, watch your face. I'm going to turn it on. You ready? Okay. Hold it up. We're starting with 3 cups of flour. By the time we're done, we should have about 7 cups. But inside of this is 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a splash of salt. And when you mix it in, go ahead and dump some in. Okay, good job. Don't do nothing. I'll get it.
That looks so good.
Well, I'm gonna turn it on again. Okay?
After this, after it's done, can I taste it?
We will taste it, yes. Did it mix all the flour in yet?
It actually looks good.
No. This is not good. Do you know why?
Why?
It's got to be to the consistency of being able to roll it out so we can make cutouts. So do you want to add a couple more cups really slow? So this makes 5 cups.
This has to be real sweet.
This is another cup and a half. You want to start going a little slower when you get to this point because you don't want to add too much flour so you can't roll it out.
Oh.
So this is where we really got to watch the dough, okay? But you can see how it's sticking. That's still too sticky, so let's add a little more flour. Don't. A little more flour. Don't get your fingers in there.
Why?
Because that will break your fingers, that mixer. I'm going to turn this up a little bit.
Oh, it looks like a speed racer.
A speed racer?
Yeah. What
No.
is
Okay,
this?
let's check it. See? Hold on. Do you see how we can roll it?
Yeah.
And we can flatten it?
Yeah. Can I?
Do you think we can shape it if we add a little flour to the table?
Yeah.
Okay, you may
Mommy,
try this piece and tell us how it tastes.
I'm going to turn it into a little tiny ball.
Okay, you tell us how it tastes.
It's like someone playing with a ball.
You tell us how it tastes.
Yeah. Oh no! I can't touch the ball before it. Terrific.
It tastes terrific?
Uh-huh.
So, we ready
I
to...
want more.
No, we gotta have something to cut out. So, are we ready to head back to the big table?
Yeah.
All right, good job. Alex, are you ready to cut out some cookies now?
Yeah.
Awesome. Do you remember what Mommy showed you to do first?
Yeah.
What? Show Mommy.
Stir it.
Go ahead. Do it. Put a little bit of flour down. A little more than that, baby. I know you got a little bit there, but the more the better, okay? So you can put a little bit more there. And you spread it all around. Okay, you got to get a little bit more dough out of the bowl. Now mix it in with the ball there. Yep, make one big ball. Squeeze it together like Play-Doh. Yay! Keep it going. Make one big, huge ball, baby. Keep going. Make it a ball. Okay, now put it a little flat, like a pie. Go like this. Yeah, now set it on the table. Okay, now, before you do anything with the roller, we got to make sure that there's a little bit of flour on top of our dough.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right, now rub some a little, take your hand, rub it around on your rolling pin. Now gently set the dough in front of you more so it's closer to you. Just pick it up. You can pick it up. Okay, gently start rolling it out. Set it up on top and don't push down super hard.
There's no man.
Go ahead, pick one out and go make one. Start on the edge. Don't push down, start on the edge so you can put a lot on one. That handle's for picking it off.
Oh.
Yep, there you go. Perfect. Good job. Okay. I want to show you about the thickness he's got. That is perfect right there. And you just set it on an ungreased cookie sheet.
No, I have.
You have flower hands.
I'm Mr. Flower.
Yes, you are. Now I gave you a lot more, so you should be able to do more than one at a time.
Good?
No, you got a lot more to go. Wherever you want.
We have to make a lot of these cookies.
We have a cookie sheet ready to go in. On an ungreased cookie sheet, we place the cookies and we bake 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's check. Let's check on these cookies. Turn the light on. You ready? How are they looking?
Yummy.
Awesome. Thank you. These look beautiful. Hey, Alex. What time is it now?
Decorating and frosting.
Okay, go ahead. What one are you picking? You're picking a snowman first?
My favorite.
Favorite? All right, you go have right at it. If you need mommy, you let mommy know.
Hey, I know, you're my mom. I
You
know you.
want some help?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, let me show you.
Can you do the
Straw.
frosting, Paul?
You want mommy to put the frosting on for you?
And I do the decorating.
Absolutely, we can do that.
Mommy, can that one be mine?
Just decorate them.
Okay.
Go ahead. When you're done decorating, set it over here, okay? Try not to hit the cookie.
That's good. Gingerbread. Spices. One for its eyes. Another one. One eye. Two.
I think that's enough of them spicy ones. Is that good? Let's show everybody. Here's his first snowman.
It was kind of weird.
It does, but you know what?
What?
You made it with love. Right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what matters.
Mm.
All right, everybody. It's late. My little guy, he did amazing today. But the last 10, 15 cookies, he was done. He had had enough. He had to go to bed. But amazing job by him. I am super impressed. And guess what? The cutout cookies are now done. This tray goes to his class. The rest are for us to give a few to whoever and to have around the house. Yeah. I'm glad they're done. Cutout cookies have never been my favorite. I don't mind making them. I do hate to decorate them myself. So him wanting to do that, it's good by me. So all right, thank you everybody for coming and watching my son as he made his Christmas cookies. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. Toodles!